scientists to see the sound. The materials we need is a bowl, plastic film, and ground coffee. Now I'm going to put the plastic film in the bowl. Now that is done, you have to put the coffee on the plate. Now I will make noise. As you can see, the coffee beans move with the sound. The sound is transmitted by slings. These slings make pressure change in the air, which collide with the plastic that is placed on the top of the bowl, causing it to rise and fall very quickly. When the coffee is on top and being so light because we can perceive those vibrations, and that's how we can be able to see the sound. Thanks for your attention.